Like everything else, there's going to be a lot of ways to maintain your starter. This is how I maintain mine at what's called 100% hydration. So I have put the bowl on the scale, I tared it, zeroed it, then I added my starter. So I have 101.2 ounces of starter. I'm going to go ahead and just round that down to 101 ounces of starter. As I said, mine is what I refer to as 100% hydration, equal weight of the flour and the water. As you can see, I need 150 ounces and I have 101 ounces. So the way I feed mine in advance for preparation for tomorrow's usage is I'll take half the weight, 101 ounces, half of that weight, which is 50.5 in flour and water, and add those as feeding to what I currently have, which will bring it to a total of 202 ounces. Then I'll portion out the 150 that I'm going to use into the various containers, and actually will let it sit out for probably 10 hours, anywhere between 8 to 12 depending, in advance of when you use it at room temperature. So again, there's lots of different ways to do this. This is how I maintain my starter. Occasionally, if I use a lot, I'll do what's called a double feed, and I'll do the same process again. So instead of stopping here, if I needed to do additional, this double feed that I'm referring to, I would have now half of the 202, which would be 101 in both columns, which would bring the total starter amount to 404 ounces. And yeah, you can see how that math works. So anyway, that's how I maintain my starter.